Hi, this is Chantel, the Obsessive Shopper. Today I'm going to show you how I organize my coupons. Alright, so the first step is that I take my Sunday subscription to the newspaper and I pull my coupon packets out. And just so that you know, I get 5 Sunday papers. We have 5 in our family, so I need to get 5 sets of packets to make the most of my savings and building my food storage. Let me just show you how it usually works. So Sunday I get my paper and I go through it, and usually I just open up right to the ad section, and that's where you're going to find your coupons. And they're kind of just in here a little bit random. The first one is red plums. Okay. Go a little bit further and we'll try to find our second booklet. Here's our second booklet, Smart Source. Okay. Now I'm going to save you having to watch me. How boring that would be to watch me do that for 5. So we're just going to take these out. I've already pulled out my other 4 here. So what I do from here now is I take my red plums and I put them all in one pile, and my smart sources, and I put them in a pile. And then I write Sunday's date. So I just kind of stick it up here. So 11/16 is when these were delivered. Okay, and now the rest of those are already taken care of here. The next step is how I file them, and let me show you that. You can see I just have this nice little file folder box, and I've just put some hanging file folders. I have my first file folder for Smart Source, then I go to Red Plum, and then I have my Procter & Gamble. Procter & Gamble is a monthly publication and comes out typically once a month. I have a fourth folder called Miscellaneous, and this is just where I stick online coupons, as you can see here, stuff that I printed, or coupons from the magazines, just anything that I get miscellaneous. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and we'll see how we can do this one-handed. I take my 5 Smart Source that I have labeled 11/16, and I'm just going to stick them in here. I'm just going to file them right behind the others that I have. Okay? So what I have here is I have one that came on the 1st, I have a set that came on the 9th, and then my 16th. So as you can see, I kind of put my older ones in the beginning, and then I just file them, the older one, and newer towards the back. And I'll do the same thing with my red plum. So what we do here is just a little tip. When this date up here, so say this 11/1 that I've got here, when that date is 5 months old, I'll just take the whole contents of this packet, anything that I have not used, and I'll just throw it in the recycling bin.